Black granite countertops, the pros and cons. Dear friends, are you looking to add a bold, elegant, or contemporary appeal to your kitchen or bathroom space? If that's the case, then black granite countertops may be the exact type of surface material that you're looking for. In order to determine whether or not black granite countertops are for you, it pays to really sort out the pros and cons, then decide whether they're a good fit for your needs. Luckily, we've done most of the hard work for you by providing you with the details here. Pros of black granite countertop. Incredibly versatile. One of the main reasons why black granite countertops are so widely favored is because of their versatility. Homeowners wishing to create a number of interior design themes can turn to black granite countertops in order to really tie the whole look of their kitchen or bathroom together. So, whether you're leaning towards a more modern theme for these spaces, a traditional style, or even an old-world theme, the stunning appearance of black granite benchtops is sure to work well with whatever layout you have in mind. Durable surface. When it comes to choosing a benchtop material for your kitchen or bathroom, it pays to remember that these two rooms are visited a lot more frequently than other places within your home. With that said, it's vital for you to invest in a countertop solution that is capable of withstanding these high-traffic areas, through resisting against all the harsh use and abuse that is dished out by you and your family over the years. You'll be pleased to find that black granite countertops are an excellent choice for these applications, due to the fact that they're durable, long-lasting, and resistant. As an igneous rock, granite is formed under extreme temperatures and pressure, which consequently results in a material that is both incredibly tough, as well as heat and fire resistant. Undeniably, this makes black granite the perfect kitchen countertop material for the kitchens of avid cooks, who are looking for a long-lasting and worthwhile investment to add both aesthetic appeal and functionality to their cooking space. Timeless appeal. Black granite countertops are a timeless choice for your kitchen or bathroom for two reasons. Firstly, they're a natural stone material, and natural stone is an incredibly desirable aspect in homes amongst new homebuyers these days. This comes down to the naturally beautiful and unique look of the material, but also its unparalleled strength and longevity. Secondly, black is a neutral tone, which will always guarantee to stay on trend regardless of the changing fads experienced over the years. Easier to maintain. The great thing about black granite countertops is the fact that you don't have to clean them as regularly or as thoroughly as you would with lighter-toned benchtop materials. As you can probably imagine, the surface does exceptionally well at hiding darker marks. Contrarily, these same marks would stick out like a sore thumb when seen on a lighter-toned granite. Cons of black granite countertop. Prone to fingerprints and watermarks. Black granite benchtops have many advantages. However, just like any other benchtop material out there, it's also bound to have its downsides. For one, black granite benchtops can be prone to fingerprints and watermarks due to their dark color. Of course, if you give your countertops a good clean every once in a while, this shouldn't be a problem. Moreover, if you make sure to seal your granite benchtops at least once or even twice per year, you can give your countertops extra insurance against watermarks and stains over the years. Built-up dust is noticeable. Another minor disadvantage of black granite countertops is the fact that built-up dust can seem quite noticeable. Once you get up close to your benchtops, you'll be able to realize how dirty a bit of dust can actually make your surface look. Now, depending on how you look at it, this could also prove as an advantage. If you are able to see built-up dust more easily, then it could indicate when your benchtops are due for a clean. As a result, it could prompt you to give your countertops a clean more frequently. Cleaning your black granite benchtops from time to time will not only ensure to keep your kitchen or bathroom looking pristine, but it will also help in keeping them a healthy and hygienic environment. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.